award is a special appreciation, winner for innovation in manufacturing aluminium or stainless steel fabrications. And the award goes to Messrs. Jindal Aluminium Limited.
Jindal Aluminium Limited has pioneered the aluminium extrusion industry in India. Established in 1968 in Bangalore, they are today the largest extrusion company in the country with 11 extrusion presses and installed capacity of 1,20,000 metric tons per annum. They are the market leader today and cater to 25% of the country's extrusion demand and also export to more than 32 countries across the globe.
Good evening to all. I thank you Rail Analysis and its jury to give this prestigious award to Jindal Aluminium. We are the largest manufacturer in secondary segment for aluminium extrusions and sheets in various alloys. We have the manufacturing facility at Bangalore as well as Bhiwadi. So I once again thank you Rail Analysis for giving us this opportunity and award for our recognition. Thank you.